Hi Hoda, what are you up to?
Hi, I'm just checking a build we've set up on this new machine that we've got.
Okay, and which machine's that?
This is the HP Metal Jet machine, and we're actually really excited about getting it because this is the first in the UK, so nobody else actually has this machine. It also has all the advantages that a binder jetting machine has. So it has good surface finish, good resolution, you can do batch production on it, but you can also do open material, so you can kind of process any materials on it, and it's really good for processing hard to melt or crack prone materials. So we're going to try it out for high temperature metals like refractories or super alloys. These are some of the examples of parts that we've done on the HP machine. These are some marketing giveaway parts. So for example, these are some of the cufflinks with MTC written on them, and they were designed by the DFAM team to give away at some of the defense events that we were doing. So we mainly did them to compare the capabilities of the system with laser powder bed fusion. So these are not the main project that we're doing on the machine, but in the main project, we're actually looking at the material capability of the machine.
Okay, and what are these parts here? Are these sort of chess pieces?
So these are chess pieces, yes. What's important to note is that these are all in what we call green state. So this is basically powder that's been glued together. So these will need to be debound and sinter. And when that happens, these parts will all shrink to almost 2/3 of the size that they currently have. So they will be smaller.